Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to start this drafting would be to first change the view to the left viewport. Then we'll begin by drawing this L-shaped profile. So we'll begin from here and draw a line of 12 units, extend it to the left 80 units, bring it down to a thickness of 60 units, to the right 12 units, and using the tracking point, join it with this point and close it with the starting point. Then we'll use the push-pull command and extrude this to a thickness of 40 units as specified over here. After that, we'll use the fillet command and fillet the edges with a radius of 20. So we'll fillet these two edges as well as these two edges. Then we'll draw this circle of 16 dia and this circle of 16 dia, and using press pull we'll create these two cavities. Then in that same left view, we'll draw one another circle somewhere outside with a diameter of 40 and another circle with a diameter of 16. Then using P line, we'll draw one line from here to here with a length of 20 units, here to here 40 units, here to here 20 units. So we'll get this structure, and then we'll extrude it to a thickness of 12 units and copy this entity over here. Finally, we'll fillet the edges. They have not given us any dimensions, but we'll assume it to be a thickness of the fillet radius to be of 5 units, and we'll fillet this, and these edges, and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change the view to left view. Now we are in the left view of our drawing. Now we go in the home and we select line, and we begin by drawing a line of 12 units. Turn the ortho on. So we draw a line of 12 units, press enter. Then we take it to the left 80 units, press enter. Then downwards 60 units, press enter. Right 12 units, press enter, and using the tracking point we'll click over here, and then we'll press C to close it with the starting point. So our basic L shape is ready. Now we go into the 3D isometric view, and using the press pull feature of AutoCAD, we click on this object and give it a thickness of 40 units. We'll change this view to shaded with edges. We'll turn the grid line off for a moment, and we'll fillet these edges now. So we click on solid, we select fillet edge, and we give the radius as 20 units. So we type radius is 20, and we fillet this edge, and we fillet this edge, and also we fillet this edge, and using the orbit we come here, and again we fillet this edge. Then we press enter and again press enter. So the edges have got filleted. Back to 3D isometric view, you will see if I turn the grids on, that it's in the perspective mode. So right click anywhere on this cube box and change it to parallel view. Now these unwanted profile, we don't need it. So select this profile and delete the profile. Now we have to draw this and this circle. So we'll come into our drawing, and we'll go in Home tab and select Center Diameter, and the center point would be center of this, and the diameter would be 16. Hit enter. Same way over here, center diameter, center point would be center of this, and the diameter would be 16, and press enter. And then we use the press pull feature. Click over here and pull it outside. Click over here and pull it outside. Press escape and just go in the orbit view and see whether you got the profile as you wish, and then press escape and come back to the 3D isometric view. Also change this to the parallel perspective. Now we have to draw this shape, so we can draw it somewhere over here. So again we use circle, center diameter. We click over here and give a diameter of 40 units, and again center diameter, and we give the center point is the same as this, and the diameter is 16 units. And then we use the P line command and draw one line from here downwards 20 units, to the right 40 units, upward 20 units, and press enter. Now we want to get rid of this unwanted part of the circle, so trim, and we click over here. In case the circle is not getting trimmed, take a closer zoom, trim, trim, and it's got trim. Now we want to extrude this to a thickness of 12 units. So select the press pull, click on the object and give a thickness of 12 units. Now we want to move this over here. So we type move and select the object to move is this. Press enter. Click on this edge and then click on this edge. Now we also want to copy it again. So we come back into a different view, and then again we select the object and CO for copy. Click on this point and this point. Press escape. Come back to the 3D isometric view. Change this back to parallel perspective. Then type union. Select the objects and press enter. Turn the grid line off. Now the last part is fillet edges. So solid, fillet edge, give the radius as 5 unit, and click over here, click over here, and also use the orbit, come here, and we have to fillet this edge as well. Also use the orbit and go down, and we have to fillet this edge as well. Just press enter, again enter, and one fillet is left over here. So again we type fillet edge and we click over here and we press enter and again enter. And our geometry is complete. Make it to parallel perspective and you can see that we have completed our profile. So friends, in this video tutorial, we have seen how to make this geometry in AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.